Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to talk about, the Liposomal NMN Plus. If you've been searching for the ultimate anti-aging solution that offers not just promises, but scientifically proven results, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address a common concern. We all know that aging is inevitable, and it often brings along various health issues. The problem is, finding an effective solution can be quite a challenge. Don't worry, we've got you covered. But before we reveal this game changer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned until the end because trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what exactly is Liposomal NMN Plus? Well, it's a revolutionary anti-aging supplement that's taking the world by storm. NMN stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide, and this product is designed to supercharge your NAD+ molecules, which are like the youth molecules in your body. But, let's not just take my word for it. Scientific research backs up these claims. Studies have shown that boosting NAD+ levels can extend lifespan. It's the real deal, folks. Liposomal NMN Plus has been gaining immense popularity in the world of health and longevity supplements. But what exactly is it, and can it live up to the hype? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Liposomal NMN Plus and whether it's worth adding to your daily routine. First things first, let's understand what Liposomal NMN Plus is. NMN stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in our body's energy production. It's like the fountain of youth that has everyone talking. But what's the liposomal part? Stay tuned to find out how this unique delivery system makes all the difference. Now that we know what Liposomal NMN Plus is, let's explore the science behind it. We'll take a deep dive into how NMN affects our cells, why it's so crucial, and how liposomal encapsulation enhances its absorption. It's all about bioavailability, folks. Now, let's talk benefits. Liposomal NMN Plus is a powerhouse. It can power up your mitochondria, promote DNA repair, fight aging on a cellular level, and energize both your brain and body. The results are simply mind-blowing. People taking NMN report increased daily energy, improved sleep, sharper memory, and the list goes on. It's like a fountain of youth in a bottle. You've heard the claims: increased energy, improved metabolism, and even the potential to slow down aging. But are these benefits backed by science, or is it all just marketing hype? We've done the research, and we're here to give you the real deal. We've scoured the internet for user testimonials and experiences with Liposomal NMN Plus. From everyday people to fitness enthusiasts, we'll share what real users have to say about their journey with this supplement. But does it really work? Absolutely. Users have reported incredible results, from improved skin health to increased energy and focus. Stay tuned for some jaw-dropping success stories later in the video. Wondering what's inside this magic bottle? Liposomal NMN Plus boasts a unique combination of ingredients that work in harmony to slow down the aging process and promote overall wellness. We'll break it down for you. It contains pure 98% NMN, and it's delivered using a liposomal delivery system, ensuring maximum absorption into your system. Taking Liposomal NMN Plus is a breeze. Just one daily capsule with a meal, and you're on your way to feeling younger and more vibrant. It's essential to know where your supplements come from. Liposomal NMN Plus is made by F20, a trusted name in the natural anti-aging industry for over 2 decades. We know safety matters to you. The good news is that NMN has been studied extensively with no adverse side effects. It's a safe path to a healthier you. In conclusion, Liposomal NMN Plus is a game changer for those looking to turn back the clock on aging. Stick around as we wrap up and give our final recommendation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and when you're ready to take the leap into a rejuvenated you, click the buy button below. Your journey to a youthful, energized you begins here. Thank you for joining us today on this incredible journey. Remember, age is just a number, and with Liposomal NMN Plus, you can redefine what it means to age gracefully. Until next time, stay youthful and stay tuned.